Hi guys, this is Sam. I'm going to discuss a few things with you guys in this video where we'll be stripping down the bike, draining the old oil out of the bike, installing the new oil with some cleaning fluids and try to start the bike.
Hi guys, so we are gonna head to the bike shop. Need to inquire for a few parts that we want to put onto the bike. The main one will be the oil filter. We also want to inquire about the clutch plates. I do have a bottle of engine oil sitting, which is a full synthetic engine oil, good for the bike itself as well. We will be buying a little cheap oil as well to clean up the engine and the engine cleaner fluid as well, which will clean up all the deposit inside the engine itself, which should help with the performance of the engine. Alright guys, so the fairings are off and we can see the engine now, clear view of the engine. By just looking at the other side as well, we can see I think there has been a coolant leak. All the white stuff on the other side of the bay, which I'll show you now. Now you can see all that white stuff on the pipes, the engine bay, the filter. The bike has most likely crashed and the fluid has came out of the bike.
Well, it's undone. Congratulations. It was the other way. We nearly ruined it then. We nearly ruined it. So it's gonna. I think I doubt there's oil in it at all. There is. There is oil. Hey, look at that. There was oil in it. That's a good sign that there was oil in it, and it hasn't became mud, gunk. So the oil capacity in liters, you have a little tag next to the engine as well, which tells you when filter is not removed, it's 3.4 liters, filter removed is 3.6 liters, and completely dry is 4. So first thing we're gonna do here is we're gonna put the engine clean fluid, which we bought to clean up all the deposit from the engine. There you go, nice and fresh.
That's good.
I think up to 3 liters. We're gonna try stick with 3 liters, not 3.6, because we did put the cleaning fluid in there as well, so that should compensate for that. So that's it, that's 3 liters there, so that's, I think we're gonna stop there. As soon as it's all drained up, we'll lock it up and we're gonna give it a try to see if it fires up. Alright. This is make it or break it moment. We've changed the fluid itself as well. We will try and see if it fires up. We obviously can see, even though it's a busted ignition, where you can see the thing is just came out, where it does still turn as well, so, but there isn't any light at all, which I can show you guys. When we try to turn the key, there is no light. This is actually on the on position right now. It should be lighting up, the speedometer should be lighting up as well, which it isn't. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this jump starter that we have for just normal car. You can, I'm sure a lot of people have them. Just borrow one from your friend. If you don't have one, you don't have to purchase one. We're going to connect it to the battery. We will be doing experiment. So let's see what happens. Alright, positive to the positive, the red the positive, the black is the negative. So make sure that's the way. Otherwise, good luck. And I hope you have the emergency number with you. There you go, it does light up. So you can see all the lights are turning on. The oil light is on as well. We just changed the oil, which is just, that's a good sign. Bike has done 60,000. That's the first time we're seeing it as well. 60,000 kilometers on the clock.
Yeah, that's about 40,000 miles.
40, that's about 40,000 miles on the bike. So the bike has done a lot of work in its life. All right, so that's a good start. So we're gonna give it a go. Yes,
Okay. Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed in my gloves. Oh, it does. So the jump starter is about to die. Come on. Come on.
Is it choke on?
There is choke on.
That would have been
Oh, oh, it dies off if you take that off. Well, that was great. That's a good sound. That's what we wanted to hear as well. A bit of smoke came out, but that's just the old engine oil just burning out.
Was that condensation or like?
Huh?
I think it was condensation.
I think it could be condensation as well. So, but we need to let this bike run for 15 minutes at least, so that the cleaning fluid and the old engine oil is working its magic and cleaning the engine for it to be running smooth. Use this bike stand as well. It just gives you the upright position of the bike, so it's good to service, easy to service the bike itself instead of being on a side stand. Some people can put a block of wood or brick under your side stand as well, but that's not very safe. If the bike falls onto the other side, there is nothing protecting the bike to drop from the drop. So what are we gonna do now is we're gonna leave it on and leave it for 15 minutes, let the engine run. Alright, after that successful mission, the bike starts up, we know that for sure. This is something that we bought as well. This is the injector cleaner. So for the bike being not started for that long, I'm sure that the fluid's been frozen inside the bike. There's all sorts of dust in there as well. So to clean all that, we're gonna pour this into the fuel tank, which should improve the quality of the fuel better than what it is already. Okay, so the other day we found out, I found out that the fuel tank lock is busted as well, so you can actually unlock it with just a screwdriver. So this is very helpful as well, because
We gotta thank the thief for that as well.
so we should thank the thief for doing that,
Save us some time.
or the cops. If they did it, they should check if there's any drugs hidden in the tank itself. So we've got this, and we're gonna pour that in. I'm gonna pour the whole bottle in. Maybe not whole bottle. Do half a bottle. Sorry for changing my mind.
Well, then we could put another tank worth.
Yeah, so we can put the rest of it when we put the new fuel in the tank. Hopefully work. Alright, I'm gonna, I think, push it back. Like, there you go, it's locked again. So, alright, so we're gonna start it one more time and let it run. I love that lights. I love that feeling of those lights being there. It just tells you the kilometers is done, and this is just one trip option. So if you do a track or you want to see how many kilometers you've done, you can actually just put it on a trip and start recording from that point onwards. You have the clock, it says 1 o'clock. I don't know, it's AM or PM. I'm assuming it's 1 AM.
That's good.
So we're gonna end this segment here for this video, and the next video we'll be discussing how to change the battery of the motorcycle. Also, we're gonna discuss about how to clean the chain and the sprocket of your bike. We will be checking the alternator as well for this bike to make sure it's working. If it's not working, then we have to buy that or find that part from somewhere else. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.